Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare this succulent and delicious oven baked cabbage. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at these ingredients. Here I have one medium-sized cabbage all chopped, and I'll be using some bell pepper, some thyme, garlic and onion. I have some butter for the seasoning, garlic and onion powder, salt, chicken bouillon, Tony's Creole seasoning, paprika, black pepper and complete seasoning. So I'll be adding some andouille sausage to the cabbage. I place it on a roasting pan, stick it in a 400-degree oven for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, this is what we have. We will set this aside, and now let's prepare the cabbage. To a medium-sized baking dish, I will place my cabbage first, and then we will go in with the rest of the ingredients. We'll add the aromatics, and we will also add our seasoning. You want to mix this in really well, and once everything is very well combined, we will start adding the butter right over top. We will cover this and place it into a 355-degree oven for about, let's say, 45 minutes to an hour. After about 1 hour, this is how the cabbage is looking. It smells absolutely divine. But first, we're going to go ahead and just give this a toss. And we are going to remove the thyme stems because they have already served their purpose. We don't want to be biting into that. We will add the sausage in, give everything a good mix, and that's it. You have the most delicious oven baked cabbage, guys. This here is just perfect for when you have a large family gathering, you know, like Thanksgiving or a birthday or something. You just put everything into one of them disposable baking pans and you stick it in the oven. Quick, easy and simple, guys. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. It was so delicious. Now if you want to season this some more when it's done, because it might taste a bit bland, you can go ahead and do that. Season to your own preference and just enjoy. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy